We are Quadruple J Construction Services and we would like to present to you our wall panel system. The James Hardwall Panel System. Our wall panel system is made up of two cellulose fiber cement boards attached to expanded polystyrene studs. Our wall panels have undergone rigorous tests such as compression tests, sound reduction index and also fire testing, which is a 2-hour blue flame test. It also serves as a thermal wall and is termite-proof and leak-proof at the same time. These are the various applications of our wall panel system. It is applicable from low-rise up to high-rise buildings, residential houses. It is also much better to use them for mass housing projects. Our wall panel system is used as load-bearing and non-load-bearing walls, and also as interior and exterior walls. It is also great to use as fences. Here is some of the advantages of our wall panel system versus concrete hollow blocks. First, concrete hollow blocks are just about 280 psi up to 300 psi only as compared with the wall panel system, which is 1500 up to 3500 psi. It is indeed stronger than the former. Our wall panel system does not require a lot of plastering unlike hollow blocks. You don't have to apply skim coats on your entire wall either. You just have to seal between the joints. It also does not require chipping unlike hollow blocks because electrical and plumbing roughing ins are installed in advance. You don't need plenty of skilled workers when installing wall panels. You just need basic laborers when pouring concrete in the wall panels because the system is cast in place. And our wall panels have zero to minimal breakage compared to hollow blocks, which in general reaches up to around 10% breakage. In addition, wall panels filled with concrete are lighter to hollow blocks plastered and filled with concrete. The plastered hollow blocks is 264 kilograms per square meter, whereas the wall panel is just 216 kilograms per square meter. Our methodology requires the use of FISM screw, level bar, grinder, industrial glue, wall angle and also a rubber mallet. Just like hollow blocks, we use horizontal and vertical bars which have spaces of 60/60ths for non-load bearing and 30/30ths for load bearing walls. Now when it comes to the foundation, may it be the conventional way of doing column and beams, grade beams, or even when using mat foundation, the important thing here is that the starter bars should be tied before pouring the concrete slab, so that we don't have to plant some dowels, which requires more laborers, hence the additional cost on your end. As for the concrete mixture, we use a mixture of 1:5:6 for you to have 1500 psi. You can also use 1:2:3 or 1:3:5 for load-bearing walls. The methodology of concrete pouring is 40 centimeters, 40 centimeters, 40 centimeters until we reach the 1.2 meters, so we will not have any cold joints. We just need basic laborers when pouring concrete in the wall panels because the system is cast in place. We use rubber mallets because we don't do vibration when pouring concrete. We do this so that the water level will not rise up and the concrete will not sink in, resulting to honeycomb. As for our roughing ins, we do not do chipping, we just use an electric grinder to prepare the openings for electrical conduits and plumbing. One more thing about our wall panel system is that we only use simple supports, C-purlins and tubulars, and enough to support our wall panel system. For the second lift, we use grinders for the windows and we use wall angles because we are using FISM strips on the corners of the windows. On our windows, we can actually put AC beam so that we can save some metals yet retain their firmness. We are still going to splice and tie the bars and apply industrial glue. When it comes to the top of the wall panels, we are going to cut on one side of the wall panel for about 6 inches for us to be able to pour concrete, and we just have to plaster it on top with cement. Here is a sample video of our installation. Our workers are composed of a few skilled workers and majority are laborers. It only took them a few days to cover the whole area. For estimates, we will need the total wall area less the schedules of the windows and doors. If we can come up with a mutually beneficial agreement, then we will need a purchase order from you, or if you can't provide a purchase order, you can just sign up on our quotation that we are going to give you. Delivery will be in 7 days. We would like to thank you for your time, and we are looking forward to work with you in the near future.